If you're looking to remove your background from your images, then you want to check out Remaker AI background remover. This is one of the best background remover I've come across, and it is easy to use and it doesn't take a lot of credits. So if you're new to Remarker, guys, Remarker offer a ton of different AI tools that you can use. Some of them are free, some of them you have to use a couple of credits. And so if you want to go ahead and test it out, you can simply head over to remarker.ai and create an account. You get 30 credits when you create your account, so you can come here and you can play with it. Now, once you're on this website, you can see that it's categorized into image AI and video AI. And of course, you can go through different categories at the top. They offered a few free AI tools that you can play around with as well and use at your advantage. But the rest, you just simply have to use a few credits. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you need to upgrade or let's say pay for credits. Just simply click on price on the upper right and you can see how much it actually costs. So if you're just getting started, you might want to just purchase the 200 credits, which is about $6. Or if you want something a little bit more, you can go for the 530 credits, which is just about $10 there. And whenever you're ready, you can just go all in with choosing one of these bigger packages as well. You can pay with your bank card, or you can pay with Google Pay or Apple Pay. And yeah, once you create an account and you pay, you will get a chance to become a VIP member permanently. That's super cool. So once you have your credits and you need to go ahead and remove background from your images, you want to go ahead and click on this option here that says image AI, and you can choose what you want. So you need to go to the AI remover and you will see that they have objects. You can remove objects from the background as well, and you can do like magic eraser. So they offer all of these and just background removers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just choose the first one here, as this is the one that I wanted to share with you. Go ahead and quickly upload my image. So I'm gonna just choose, for example, this image right here. And yeah, once you upload your image, you're able to quickly remove the background from that. And that's how it looks, guys. So easy, very fast, right? So once you do that, you can quickly go ahead and download the image. What I really like, and that's why I said it's one of the best, is once you remove the background, even if you see that your picture is not so good, you can use the power of AI as well right here to quickly upscale. So you can download it as is if you're satisfied, or you can just simply say upscale HD, and it's gonna quickly upscale it for you. And you don't really have to do anything much. It already has your image, it already has everything, and so you just want to just wait for it to just improve your image quality. And you're gonna see here, how cool is that? No, this is an improved version, and now you can just quickly download that. So that's why I love it. That's why I said, guys, this is one of the best one you can find out there, because for others, you can just simply remove the background, while this actually give you the opportunity to remove the background. And guess what? If you want to upscale, you can upscale and get a much better quality of that picture. So as you can see here, I've done that, and this is the new image with the upscale, and have a look at that. It is simply stunning. And that's how it works, guys. Super easy and super simple. So guys, if you really want to go ahead and use Remarkable AI, you can find the link within the description of this video. You can go ahead and use that to head over to Remarkable AI. And if you want to purchase some credit, the link also is my affiliate link. And it will basically allow you to, let's say, contribute to my channel as well. So if you go ahead and use the affiliate link, I'll definitely earn a small commission there, just to show some support back to the channel. So with that said, guys, go ahead and check it out. I really hope you found value here. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.